pag-drawing ko nung bata ako. Nag-start lang mag-drawing ng tao nung high school, graduating, kasi kailangan ko nang mag-shift from that phase na cars na drawing. So, nag-explore ako, tao. Hindi ako nagsimula sa anime kasi high school pa lang, I hate anime na. Kasi wala lang, no offense, pero yun, I hate anime kasi wala silang proper proportions. So, mga observations, nag-observe ako nung high school ako, kung paano ginagawa yung mukha ng tao, nagbabasa din ako. May ako mag-observe ng mukha ng tao. Art history, mahilig ako sa art history. Yun. Renaissance, Mannerism, Neoclassical arts, Baroque art, mga realistic rendering talaga ng human figures. Lalo na nung Renaissance. Yun. Art history talaga. Tapos, kung may mga present inspirations man ako, motivations, yung mga professor dito, kilala nyo naman na sa mga Sir Rai, Ahoro, Sir Minir. Sir Ahoro, prof ko yan from first term to fourth term ng first year. Kasi i-make sure na siya talaga yung prof ko. Kinukuha ko yung schedule. Gusto ko siya talaga yung prof. Yung first year ako. Kasi magaling siya. Talagang gusto ko siyang prof talaga. Artist, Jan van Eyck. Jan van Eyck, Northern Renaissance, yung Flemish Renaissance artist siya noong 1450s. Sobrang galing niya. Sobra. As in, sa Northern Renaissance, siya yung pinaka-chief artist na masasabi. Favorite artwork ko sa kanya, yung pinaka-magnum opus niya, or yung, for me, yung pinaka-best work niya, magnum opus niya is yung Arnolfini portrait. Sobrang ganda nun. Ang daming symbolism, ang daming meaning behind the painting. Tapos napaka-intricate ng detailing. Sobrang real. Napaka-trompe-l'oeil ang tawagin. Joker. Joker na, nakita niyo ba yun? Joker na may flames. Tapos, digital painting siya. Digital illustration. So yun, Joker. Mas prefer ko pa rin yung traditional kaysa digital. Kahit puro digital yung works ko, mas prefer ko pa rin ng traditional. Kasi, ang pangit sa digital, hindi siya tangible. Hindi mo siya mafe-feel. Tapos, confined ka sa maliit na workspace, yung tablet. Masyado maliit yun. So, hindi ka free gumalaw. Pero, siguro, in my case, yung digital kasi, hindi siya ganun ka-time consuming. At saka malinis. Ang issue kasi sa traditional, yung time constraints yun. Tsaka yung, availability ng resources. Yung colors, gano'n. Sa ngayon, ma-publish yung work. Yun. As in, hardware published sa kahit anong magazine, art magazine. Yun. Kasi napapublish siya, pero digital magazine. Yun. Pero gusto ko kasi yung nakikita ko yung work ko sa magazine talaga. Yun. As of now, siguro gusto ko yun. Maliit na pangarap siya, pero gusto ko ma-attain yun. Kasi nag-ano na ako ngayon, may mga monthly, may mga clients ako, individual clients, gano'n. Tapos minsan, nag-talk din ako, seminar, workshop. Actually, kakatapos lang kahapon, nasa UST ako, nag-workshop ako doon, acrylic painting, tsaka human face anatomy. Tapos next week, meron sa Lasal, ST. Talk din ako doon. Saglit. May times na, may ganyan na kasi meron akong work, yung work ng 2011, yung Death of the Virgin, si Mother Mary yun. Tapos ang approach ko doon, hindi siya holy figure, si Mother Mary. Kumbaga, normal na tao lang siya na namatay. So, pingin ko siya as tao lang. Walang light rays, walang anything. Parang yung kilala ni Caravaggio. Yun, yung mga works niya na walang halong Renaissance feel, walang alterations. Basta kung ano yung nakikita ko, yun. Ang ginawa ko sa Dormition of Mother Mary, madumi siya doon. Madumi, tapos nabubulok na siya. Kasi nga namatay siya, nabubulok siya, walang light rays, wala. Madumi, medyo madugo. Tapos yun, ang daming nag-react doon kasi bakit ko daw siya biname na gano'n, eh holy figure yun, blah 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 blah. Hindi ko naman makokontrol yun. Hindi ko makokontrol yun. Siguro kung ano yung tingin ng public sa art ko. Hindi ko makokontrol yun. Sila yun eh. So, I'm not afraid naman. Sana yan lang. Kung gusto nyo, ang style ko kasi realism. Yung talagang photorealism, intricate details. Totoo. Kung gusto nyo sumunod sa ganung style, observe. Practice drawing, observe. Tapos, draw what you see, not what you think you see. Big words, pero sana, we'll see. Sana, kasi sobrang daming artists na ngayon na sobrang gagaling din. As in, meron mas bata pa sa akin, tas sa ibang bansa, galing. Yung mga ganon. So, why not? Sige. Thank you.
She's got you high and you don't even know yet. She's got you high and you don't even know yet. The sun's in the sky, it's warming up your bare legs, and you can't deny you're looking for the sunset. She's got you high and you don't even know yet. She's got you high and you don't even know yet. Search for the time before it leaves without you. Have you lost your mind, or has she taken all of yours too? What's this about? I fear good luck would shine through. We've lost romance, this world is turned so see-through. Open your mind, believe it's gonna come true. Keep romance alive and hope she's gonna tell you. What's this about? I fear good luck would shine through. We've lost romance, this world it's turned so see-through. Open your mind.